Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to our TGIF Talks, episode 152. I'm your host, Dr. Sheep, Joe my co-host, anonymous Phil.
Yes.
Okay, roll the intro. Please, Jesus Christ.
Did you see where it went?
Yeah, I see where it is.
Oh.
No.
Is this another one?
No, it's the same one.
That's what I thought. It was the
You're
same.
banned from touching things. Put it back.
Did you see what kind of like...
Oh, I saw. I saw everything. It's too bad they didn't see it.
We could let them.
No, stop. God, he's worse than a child. Anyways, how are you?
Fine. You?
How exciting. I'm alright.
You're alright? Good to hear.
There's a spider on my window outside.
Yeah?
See a little motherfucker? Need one of those salt guns. That'd be fun. Anyways, let's close Chrome so that it can update itself, although that defeats the purpose. Damn. Alright, I was gonna show you what I was talking about in Excel here. So,
yeah, it does look wonky.
well, I mean, yes, because I haven't gotten to fix it yet. But anyways, these are all the same, right to left.
Let me see.
But vertical, so if we look at
57.
57, okay. So if we go down here, I have this set to 18. And the bottom, set to,
You got 3 here.
set to 18.
And then this one.
Right, yeah. So 18 plus 18, what is 18?
36.
36.
Plus this middle one.
Hold on. Let's look at these. 22 plus 27. That's like, so we're over 100 pixels here. We're like 108, right? With this.
Let me see. Sorry.
Don't adjust anything.
28.
Please hit undo.
I didn't adjust it. It's still 28.
It says you did though.
What do you mean it says it did? It's still
Give me,
28.
give me the, no, it was 27 before.
It's 27.
Yes. Actually, there's an easier way of doing this. Here,
27.
give me this. Here, I'll show you, because I'll show you how I was adjusting it.
Can you just... Oops.
No, give me the mouse. I'll show you how to check. This tells, oh, this is in points. Ugh. It doesn't do you in pixels.
Alright.
Now you see my problem. Why the hell?
27. Plus 22. We'll get a calculator. We'll keep a running total.
Over here.
Where?
27 plus 22
should be
plus
49. 58.
I just did it. You no, please. I was gonna let me.
I can type faster than you can write.
What was the other one? 58?
50.
58. 107. That doesn't seem right, but that's because it's not. It should be 28.
It should be what?
It should be 28, not 27. Give me the mouse. Cause you touched something again. It is 27. Okay.
It was 20. It was 20, and you said no. It has to be.
Well, something's. Anyway, I thought it was 108. That's why 107 seems weird. Anyways, doesn't matter. Point is, we come down here, and we want to measure one of these motherfuckers.
18.
18. So if we do 18 plus another 18, because that's what the bottom one is. Why did it?
Let's check to make sure.
No, it is. I said it. Trust me. I was doing this for an hour. Plus, in the middle, it's different between each one.
Why is it not the same?
36. So plus 36 gets me 72. So 108 minus 50 was 52, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, 107. Damn it.
107.
Why did it not save over here?
It's right here. 107.
Oh, sorry. No, 72 is what we had.
What are you asking? 58. What are you talking about?
I don't know. Don't ask me where I got that number from.
35.
35. So
That's the
we
difference.
need to increase this by 35 pixels.
Yes.
So if we go into here, oh, I can't do that. Never mind.
We're at 36.
Shit. That's right. We need to 35 plus 36. That's 71.
Mm-hmm.
We need to go to 71 pixels. No, why is it? I can't.
There you go.
How much? 71?
Yeah. Right there.
That's not square. The pixels are different sizes. I wanted people to see this. Look at this. They're different sizes. Why are they different sizes? And the points are different sizes too. Why? Why? Excel. Why?
18. 36.
I spent 45 minutes trying to figure this out because it doesn't make sense. Here, give me this. I'll show you how stupid it gets too. Because if we go to Excel, a new Excel doc, how many? Okay, did it only open one? Thank God. It was opening like 8 earlier. Okay, so if we look at this one, it's in points. It's 20 pixels. So we want to make this one 20 pixels. Boom! It's a square.
Well, let's try that on yours.
It doesn't work. We just tried it. No, don't. No, you can't adjust any of these because it's all saved. Here, give me.
Well, I was just gonna adjust it and just experiment.
No, but I did. It doesn't work. It won't make a square, and I don't know why. The same. We did this. We did the math, and it doesn't work, and I don't understand why. If somebody in the comments knows why Excel is broken and how do I fix it, please explain, because it doesn't make any sense. Because I can't finish this until I fix the square issue. Because I can't stand up. Because I don't want to eyeball it. Because, if we make this poster sized, you're going to notice that. 1 or 2 pixels is a lot. When you blow it up to... And so I don't know what to do. I don't know. Is there a program I can just put things in and do this kind of thing in, or is Excel really the I shouldn't say the best way, the only way that I know how? I don't know what to do. This periodic table, I don't know, and it's Excel's fault. It's not even mine. I didn't do anything. It's just Excel is just glitched out, I guess. I don't know what the hell's the problem is.
Adjusted, so it's supposed to be 58. I don't know.
It doesn't make sense. Why do they have 2 different pixel sizes?
Have you tried asking Google?
But that doesn't. But see, they just say, "Oh, switch it to ruler mode, and then you can just measure it in inches, and you'll be fine." Well, I tried switching it to ruler mode. It just breaks things because it sets it as one standard page size. I tried it. It just breaks things. It breaks up the table and makes pages, and it's I don't want pages. I want this all on the same page. And I don't know how to adjust page sizes in Excel. Because I've never done that before. It's never been a problem.
This is 71.
I don't get it. I do not get it. It doesn't make sense. So if anybody knows how to fix this, so it's not stupid.
Just increase them all. Oh, it does.
No, yeah, but it makes them all equal.
Yeah, it does. I know. I see that.
Which I guess is okay. I don't, in some regards, but not in others. It's the reason why I have it set to that width, and I'll show you down here, is because of protactinium.
That's praseodymium.
Oh, so yeah, praseodymium. Because it's the longest element name. So everything is set to that, and then this width, this box, is set to which one of these was the longest. Which is like, I think, like tantalum here at 180.895. Because you have 3 digits and then like another 2. For the most precise.
I follow.
So, yeah. And then this side.
Do we really not know what these are?
These are, look at the element number.
No, do we not really not know that they're transition metals?
That's what this period. Ignore the coloring. I haven't fixed the coloring. I was just copying what my big periodic table says.
Oh.
I'm gonna change it. So that's actually, let's just exit out and just don't save.
It is interesting.